Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make wireframe counter chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make wireframe counter chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many charts. We select the surface chart. Then select the wireframe counter. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a counter chart wireframe. Now we want to edit this chart. Click the chart, then go to the design menu. Then apply another effect or style. Click the style drop down menu, then choose another style. Otherwise you can select the color and change the color of this chart. You can change the layout. Click the quick layout drop down menu, then choose another layout. Now we want to edit the data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then go to the edit data. Now we edit data to use this sheet. Now we can see here we make wireframe counter chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.